Yo, 50, Curtis. I thought you had a little bit more creativity than that, bro. I love the idea. The idea is awesome. You know what I'm saying? But I think you got a little bit more than that in you. I would like to think that you have a little bit more than that in you. I mean, I understand. Once you're not hungry anymore, it's kind of hard to get up. You know, stay erect. You know what I'm saying? In the game, I understand the medium. You know what I'm talking about? Doing something, that you probably like doing. You probably like acting. You do a good job of it on your albums. Uh, but I would like to see you come a little bit harder than that, bro, because I know you can. I mean, shit, where your boy M? You know what I'm saying? Get some of his ideas. Pull Dre up out of there. You know what I'm talking about? Get some ideas from them boys, cause I would think this is probably your brainchild. It has autism. Okay.